Let's check out the farm. Hey, what's up, everyone?
Not much, buddy.
Hi, folks. What's going on?
Hey, friend. How's it going?
Hello, everyone. What's up?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Oh, look who's here. The lion.
What?
Hey guys, wait for me!
All right, let's do a challenge.
Hey!
All right, I accept.
Okay, everyone, let's kick off the challenge.
Okay.
Time to have some fun.
Let's get to it, everyone.
Wow, this is really tough.
Don't bother me right now. All right, your turn, Bull.
I can handle anything.
No way!
Oh, let's see you try, my friend.
Don't joke around with me.
What?
Finally, the challenge is complete.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Hey, Elephant, how's it going?
Hey there. What's up?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Mom, we're ready to play.
All right, sweetie, let's do it.
Okay.
want to join in on the fun.
No worries, kids. Let's play.
Awesome! Let's get started! Let's go for it!
Okay.
Whoa! The ball rolled into the lion's den! Come on, everyone. Let's get it back. We've got to save our brother, guys!
I won't let you take another step.
Thanks for rescuing me, everyone!
Let's take a walk. Nice fruit, monkey.
Yes, I found it right over there.
Thank you so much. Whoa! What in the world?
What? What?
Let's go over to them. Why is everyone running?
Why is everyone in such a hurry?
The giant rhino is coming after us!
We have to do something.
Come on, let's go talk to him. push that thing away.
Yay! Let's eat it again! Whoa! I turned back to normal!
Don't ever try those magical stunts again.
I won't do those stunts again.
Hey, I'm heading outside. Keep an eye out for me.
Okay. What?
What?
Eh?
Run!
What?
What happened to you?
The elephant accidentally kicked me.
Oh, really? Is that true?
What?
Everyone, let's go check what's going on.
Oh no!
Why are all these animals coming here?
I'm not leaving any of you behind.
Maybe we should go get some help. Yes, you're right.
What are all of you doing here?
We're all feeling scared. Something's wrong.
Come on, everyone. Let's stick together and solve this.
right, little one. Let's go.
Oh, look! It's the elephant!
Hey, Ellie. How are you?
Hey there! I'm doing great.
So, Ellie, what's the plan for today? We're heading out to explore the forest.
What?
Wait, where's my baby? Where did my little one go? I won't let anyone take my baby. I'm not letting anything happen to her.
What's going on with the lion?
She seems really upset.
What's wrong, my king?
My cub is missing.
Don't worry. We'll help you.
I'm searching through the forest.
Did you find anything?
Yes, I spotted the cub.
Let's go, everyone.
Mom, help me!
Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm coming. You're safe now.
I'm sorry.
You're not wandering off like that again.
Okay, Mama.
All right, let's head home.